I'm Manik Vadu. Today I'm showing you how to install Cypress in your PC and VS Code. So let's go with me and we follow those steps step by step. I just create uh, um, on instructor. Then this we can see step by step we can do all things. Like first we can need install Node.js and npm. Those two both those two component those two package are all you need to install in your PC. If you know if so, I already installed this package. That's why I know to install. Yes, if someone have already installed but they don't know, so that's why we can go with the terminal CMD. So we can simply check no version. So yes, is this also we can check yes I in my PC already installed. That's why they are showing the version is a 22.14 version is currently installed in my PC. So also in PM we can check npm also still in my PC. So that's why we not I don't need to install those who don't install those package. Those need to install first. So let's go ahead. We just simply next step we just create on for project folder. Like I just create manually. Is that too is easy to understanding of not there. It's there. Just simply rename. Is a Cypress. New Cypress. Cypress. Okay. So after create a folder, we open this folder on VS Code. Simply open your VS Code and in our VS Code, open your folder. Here, click in my folder inside this desktop. And this is my new folder. Simply select and we can see, we'll see. Yes, I trust. This is my folder is open here. Now after that, we need to open your terminal in your VS Code. Yes, this have a is open. After that, just simply install your init. All things we just npm pass already year by years. Okay, so simply just copy and paste all things I mentioned in my uh, descriptions. All step I will mention on description. Okay, then after that we need to install Cypress. So is I just copy and simply paste here. Yes, and hit enter. We'll see is getting a little bit type because inside this Cypress so many files are have installed. The that's why it's getting a little bit time. So in it is successfully installed, and after that we need to install open. So open command is in npx Cypress open. So, so what I'm telling in Cypress have a benefit is that is also faster and is that won't have own browsers. So npx so also is so faster and it is a bad things is the barricade is that have we don't have open up new tabs. We don't have a so so this is some barricades we doing work or doing work we can know all things step by step. So we just now we just want to open a Cypress open. It's a simple command. Need to try just getting a little bit time this because this is first time. Yeah, is it open? All thing you need to this all are depend on your PCs what's happening what's hardware you need to install in a PC. You have a install if you have you go with the E2E testing. If you have a good hardware like 16 GB RAMs and the processor is too fast like Ryzen 7s like Intel i7, so the time is getting more than fast and so after just talking is that simple things. We can go with the create a new space. So simply click and create a space. Okay, and with space. So we just see our site is installed and is open successfully. So and is it auto is it is it a company is it simple script already? This is a run Cypress. Okay. we can successfully set up and install. So this is the our Cypress and E2E. This is the our code, whatever we need to run. So also all things we need to install in our Cypress. Is it the Mocha? Is it a Mocha? Is it that? ES6 Mocha. You install all must be these things. This help you so lot. So this I already installed. That's why not I don't need to install again. So we just now create a on simple script and just let's see. Okay. So guys, that's all this step installation process. Tomorrow we will see how to run your script and how to create script, how to write a script. And so that's all about today regarding to installation process. So that's all.